Hello, in our last video, we learned how to properly control and format dimensions in AutoCAD. Let's make sure everything is aligned perfectly because a neat drawing is a professional drawing. I'm Diangha Bertrand Timgum, a master holder in civil engineering and a practicing civil engineer. By the end of this video, you will know how to align objects quickly, accurately, and professionally in AutoCAD. Why alignment matters. Misaligned objects can throw off your construction plan, make your work look messy, and lead to real-world errors. AutoCAD gives us powerful tools to align these things. Let me show you the easiest ones. Method 1. Using align command. Type in align command on your command line and press enter. Select the object you want to align. Press enter. Pick your source point, any point here, or prefer this. Pick your destination point and click here. Press enter. And AutoCAD has moved your object directly to the point you wanted to align to. Perfect for aligning objects along a slanted reference. Method 2. Using move command. Select the object you want to align. Type in the move command, press enter, choose the point you want to align to, and the final destination. Great for aligning items on a grid along walls or within layouts. The last but not the least, use the XLINE or construction line command. To do that, type in XLINE on your command bar, press enter. Specify a point. Let's say you want this point. Place one along the horizontal axis, so we can take any of these objects and align along this plane. So we can click here and we align it here, we can click and we align it here, we can click and we align it here. Exactly the same thing on the horizontal. We can select any of the objects and align it along the horizontal by using our construction line. Make sure you turn on auto mode when aligning. Now you know how to align any object in AutoCAD, whether it's simple or complex. In the final video of this series, we'll learn how to draw boundary lines, a skill every site planner and civil designer must master. Subscribe so you don't miss the last part of this essential AutoCAD series. I'm Diangha Bertrand Timgum. See you in the next one.